In question 12, we're after the critical path of a construction project. Now, in this particular instance, you can see here, we've got a start and finish, and I've tracked the 23, the 30, the 18. That can only be 32. The lower junctions here, a choice of 35 or 33, 35 wins out. Add 21 there, 51. Top junction, choice of 63, a choice of 60, 63 wins out, of course. And then finally, 76. So we end up with a critical path going through the following: H, J, and L. So write that down as your summary: C, H, J, and L, and a total of 76 days. Now, by default, when we go backward scanning, 76, 63, 51, 30, and 0. Backtracking here, 63 take 30 gives me 33. 33 take 9, 24. 51 take 9, 42. 42 take 15, 27. Now, I'll just give you a chance to fill in the ESTs and LFTs. Working through some of the latest finishing times. It's going to give me a float of 1, 27. Gives me a float of 9. C is on the critical path. So you could by default put the critical path components on as having a float time of 0. For D then, we can finish that as late as 33, gives us a float time of 1. E can finish as late as 42, gives me a float time of 9. This can finish at 42 as well, so that will give me a float time of 7. 63, 1 float time. Obviously, 76, 76 there, 11, 63 there, end up with 0. So we've got the float times. Now, the last two questions ask you to consider what would happen if activity F took just that little bit longer. Now, if F took 7, that makes that junction 37, but doesn't bring that up to more than 51. So there's no effect of the critical path. And in the case of E, if we add 4 days to F, that brings it up to 9, 39, doesn't still affect the critical path. Take some time to work this one through. You can see from some of my corrections, it does take a fair bit of thinking. Probably the hardest one you're going to do in this unit.